Welcome to my Europe Vlogmas series where I travel through Germany, Austria, and Switzerland and explore the most magical Christmas markets, trying all the festive food and visiting iconic spots along the way. So day 1 starts now. From Manila, lumipad ako to Dubai for 9 hours and had a layover of 3 hours. It was my first time flying with Emirates and I could say na I loved my experience. The economy seat was spacious, may in-flight entertainment, and masarap ang food. Upon landing sa Dubai, hindi ko na kinailangan kunin yung luggage since connecting na ang flight ko to Munich. After 3 hours of waiting, nagboard na rin ako ng plane to Munich, Germany. This one was a bigger plane, an Airbus A380 na may 2 floors. I had a comfortable 6-hour flight and masarap din yung sinerve nila na food. And after an almost 20-hour flight from Manila, nakarating na tayo sa Europe. Welcome to Munich, Germany. Upon arrival, I went straight to immigration. I was asked kung ano yung mga countries na i-visit ko, chinek din yung hotel booking, pati yung flight ticket ko pabalik. Paglabas sa arrivals, nag-withdraw na rin ako ng euros dito sa Sparkasse. Then I went to the Lufthansa bus stop just outside the airport. I booked this limousine bus sa Klug and diretso na ito papuntang Munich, Hauptbahnhof or Central Station. And nasa around 30 minutes lang ang biyahe. This was my first time to see the Hauptbahnhof or Central Station ng Europe, kaya sobrang na-amaze talaga ako. Less than 5 minutes lang, dumating na ako sa first hotel ko for this trip, ang Hotel Mark Munich. The room was cozy, malakas yung heater and may double bed. Sobrang lamig pala sa labas kaya napaka-importante na malakas ang heater sa loob ng room. So that's it for our day 1. Next up, our very first Christmas market visit here sa Munich, Germany. See you on day 2 and follow for more Europe Vlogmas. Bye!